Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Carl for a 1-year follow-up, and you look absolutely amazing.
Thank you.
Tell us about your experience over the past 12 months.
So the past 12 months, very nervous, anxious before coming into it. Did a lot of research, specifically went with Natural Transplants and Dr. Siegel, because I saw that they specialize in my hair type, which was very big to me, and they were local in Florida. When I went in there, phenomenal facility, great customer service. Dr. Siegel and his staff made sure before the procedure I was aware of everything that had to happen, and then after they always checked up. And I felt great. I didn't know what to expect from the results, but I am more than happy if you see the before and after. Highly recommended. I can't be happier, man. I'm truly happy. Like, it looks night and day different. So,
Confidence-wise, how's your confidence level now?
I don't wear hats anymore.
Yeah, likewise. And what do your friends and family say about your new hair?
So the ones that know, they are shocked. Cause it's not like I just tell everyone, but the ones that if they say hey, you look a little different, I'll be like, yeah, I got a transplant. They would always tell me it doesn't look like you got a transplant, because I think the ones that they see it looks really bad, which they probably get it somewhere else or whatever. But mine's it doesn't look like you. Like, for example, 3 weeks ago I was in DC, and my Uber driver, it somehow came up, and I showed him the picture of how I looked like before, and he was flabbergasted. So that's the biggest thing for me, is one, it looks good, and two, people can't even tell. So.
And you do whatever you want now with your hair. You shower, you swim,
I do whatever.
Play sports. Nothing but stops you.
I do whatever. The main thing I do now, though, that I didn't do before, is I make sure I hydrate, condition, oil it, because I didn't do a good job of that before. But now, I already paid for this, I'm going to keep it. So,
for somebody who's on the fence whether or not to get a hair transplant, what do you recommend?
I would say, from my experience, it definitely is worth it. Just do your due diligence. If it doesn't feel right, then if you can't trust your doctor, then obviously don't do it. But it's pretty clear based off of the testimonials, the before and afters, your hair type, if it's going to be a good fit for you and how they treat you. So if it's to me and someone's looking into it, I would highly recommend it.
We stand behind our product, and again, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. I thank you, Carl, for coming back to the office, and please reach out to us if you want a free consultation.
Thank you, guys.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.